Moms, it is our favorite time of year, cold and cough season. This year, I found Oilogics Cough and Stuffy Nose Epsom Salt. I was worried initially about the safety features because I do have an 8-month-old, but it's approved for as young as 3 months. It's also made with essential oils and other natural ingredients. These ingredients help soothe and also open up their nasal passageways. My son also has really sensitive skin, so I was nervous about using it, but it's pediatrician and dermatologist tested. Not to mention that it's woman owned. And the best part, it's convenient and you can find it right at Walmart. Sick days with a toddler are rough, but Oilogic has made bath time our favorite part of the day. Make sure you find it now.